Yo people, this is Vimal here back with a brand new laptop video. So today Asus has launched a couple of new laptops in their ZenBook and the VivoBook lineup. All of them are Intel's new 11th gen laptops guys, and the brand has sent us their top of the line, premium level laptop from the ZenBook series. This is called as the ZenBook Flip S. It's actually a 2-in-1 convertible guys. That means you can, flip the laptop and convert it into a tab also. And the best part are the specs guys. It's got some crazy level of specs. First thing is it's got a 4K HDR OLED touch panel. Yes, it has a touch panel and comes with a stylus as well in the bag. That means you can use that stylus and completely unleash your creativity. Great for designers and content creators. So that is one thing. Keeping that aside, as I've told you just now, it's powered by Intel's newest 11th gen Tiger Lake CPUs and also has Intel Iris Xe graphics on board. And not just that, as I've told you, it's got that complete 360-degree hinge design. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to how this laptop looks like. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. So the brand new ZenBook Flip S comes in this sort of box packaging, has the Asus logo on the front with their tagline, and you can see the Intel branding at the top. And going to the backside, this is where you got the model info and the product specs. Let me give you all a closer look. So the model we'll be reviewing today is UX371E and comes in a premium jade black finish. It's got a 13.3-inch 4K OLED touch display. It's powered by Intel's newest 11th gen i7 CPU and comes with the all-new Iris Xe graphics. On the storage section, the laptop has a 1TB PCIe Gen 3 SSD and has 16GB RAM on board. So that's it, these were all the specs of the product. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut the seal on the package. There we go. On the inside, we've got a couple of boxes. Let me just take them out and show you. So this is the actual box of the laptop guys, very compact. We'll just get back to this in a moment. Along with that, you do get an accessory box and a free carry bag for the laptop. Very nice quality and feels quite premium. Alright, that's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the laptop. Comes packed like this, and here you go, the new ZenBook Flip S 11th gen model from Asus. Oh my god, just look at that finishing. I love the jade black color with copperish gold accents all around the body. And wow, are you guys seeing how slim the laptop is? It's got a profile less than 14 mm and also feels quite lightweight in the hand, weighing only around 1.2 kgs. Keeping that aside, you get some paperwork in the box, make sure to read them. And looks like you also get a free stylus in the box. It's called the Asus Pen 2.0 and supports 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity. Great for creative type of users. And if you're wondering what we got in the accessory box, well, you get a mains cord, an Ethernet adapter, and a 65-watt Type-C power adapter for charging. That's it. Now let's finally check out the laptop. The brand new ZenBook Flip S UX371. It's a 2-in-1 convertible 11th gen laptop that features a unique 360-degree flip design. Initial impressions, the laptop looks very premium, has the Asus logo on it with an asymmetric circle-like finishing on the top lid, and the entire chassis of the laptop is made of aluminum alloy. As mentioned earlier, it's got a slim profile so you can easily carry it anywhere. Great for on-the-go usage. And also guys, I have to mention I love this copperish gold diamond cut highlights that the brand has given all around the body. So that was about the design and the build quality. Now let me show you all the available connectivity ports. On the left there's a HDMI port, two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports and a battery charging indicator. On the other side there's a power button and a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port. That's it, and going to the back side, you got some exhaust vents to let the heat escape. And this is how the bottom side looks like. One thing I have to mention is the body does attract a lot of fingerprints as you can see in the video, and you've got some rubber foot pads on all the corners, and these are the speakers. It's got stereo down firing speakers certified by Harman Kardon. And talking about the upgradability, yes, you can easily open up this bottom cover to upgrade the M.2 storage on it. Here's a picture of the internals. Now let me open the lid and show you how the interiors look like. And as soon as you do that, the first thing you'll notice is that special 360-degree ergo lift hinge design that lets you flip the display in any position, even completely all the way till the other side to convert it into a tab. That is so cool, right? The hinge feels smooth and seamless during transition. And also Asus says that the hinge has been rigorously tested over 20,000 cycles to ensure high reliability. Let me know if you guys want me to do a torture test on this laptop in the comment section down below. Alright, talking about the display, the ZenBook Flip S has a 13.3-inch 4K OLED Nano Edge touch display, that too with 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. The bezels on it also look very thin, especially on the sides. And at the top, there's a HDIR camera that even supports Windows Hello Face Login. That's it about the upper half. Now going to the lower section, this is how it looks like. What I'll do is I'll give you guys a closer look and then talk about the keyboard and the touchpad. The ZenBook Flip S features a full-size edge-to-edge backlit LED keyboard, and talking about my experience, the keyboard was offering a very good and comfortable typing experience, all thanks to that ergo lift hinge design. And also the quality of the keys was also pretty good. We're offering nice tactile feedback, and not to forget, it's also backlit, right? You can easily adjust the brightness in 3 different steps using the F7 function key. And coming to the touchpad, it has a glass covered smart touchpad with a wide area and was doing a good job. It was accurately detecting all my finger movements and gestures, and I didn't face any sort of dead zones also anywhere. As usual, the left and right click buttons are integrated, but the best part is by long touching the small icon to the top right, you can activate a special number pad on top of the touchpad. The crazy thing is the mouse cursor still functions even when this thing is turned on. It's a great feature and very well implemented. And the icon to the left lets you adjust the number pad brightness or access the calculator. Alright, now let's talk about the display quality. As mentioned before, the ZenBook Flip S comes with a 13.3-inch 4K OLED display that supports 100% DCI-P3 color gamut and is even Pantone validated. And let me tell you, the display looks absolutely stunning. One of the finest displays I've seen on a laptop. And since it's 4K, there is a great amount of detail and sharpness. Everything looks so crisp on the panel, and talking about the colors just pop out on the display. They're that rich and vibrant with high color accuracy. And also the contrast levels, blacks, everything was top notch thanks to that OLED panel. The screen is also a VESA Display HDR 500 certified. That means you can watch content in HDR with excellent dynamic range with a max of 500 nits of brightness. Everything was good over here, but the only thing is it doesn't have an anti-glare coating on it, so you might occasionally observe reflections and glares on the screen. Not to forget, it's also a touchscreen, right? So you can flip it into tab mode and use the stylus provided to do all your creative works on the go. Artists or creative designers can greatly benefit from this feature. It was precisely detecting the inputs, and the touch latency was also quite minimum. I had a lot of fun time playing around with this. And talking about the sound quality was decent. It was producing good sound with minimum distortion, but the output was not that high. Felt it could have been louder. Back to another awesome video on my channel. So as I've told you just now, you guys might have seen a lot of RGB components like maybe RGB PCs, peripherals and whatnot. But have you ever seen a gaming chair with RGB lighting? Now that is something special to talk about. Okay guys, I know you all have been waiting for this since a long time. Let me tell you about the performance. The ZenBook Flip S is powered by Intel's newest 11th gen Tiger Lake i7, the 1165G7 CPU, which is a 4-core 8-thread CPU with a max turbo frequency of 4.7 GHz and comes with Intel's newest Iris Xe graphics. See, this is Intel Evo certified laptop. That means it has been tested and verified by the brand to offer great responsiveness, instant wake from sleep, and a minimum of 9 hours of battery life at 1080p resolution. See, the laptop is great for day-to-day tasks like browsing the web with multiple Chrome tabs open. I could easily do photo editing on Adobe Photoshop and even my 1080p video editing smoothly, no issues over here. And finally coming to games, see, usually notebooks or ultra-thin laptops cannot play AAA title games at decent frame rates as there is no discrete GPU on them. But that's not the case with the new Iris Xe graphics. Intel has definitely stepped up the game. We're right now playing GTA 5 at 1080p resolution with the graphics set between high and medium preset. So let's see how it goes. Not bad guys, at 1080p resolution high to medium graphics, we were getting an average of around 45 FPS. Switch the graphics to normal mode at 1080p and you can expect a solid 60 FPS gaming. Compared to the previous gen built-in graphics, Iris Xe is definitely a big improvement as you're able to play a lot of games at 1080p resolution, low to medium graphics with decently good frame rates. But don't expect it to run graphic intensive games, especially like Assassin's Creed, Tomb Raider or something like that. See, this laptop is not made for gaming. But looking at the price tag of this model, I felt the performance could have been slightly a bit more better. See, if it was a cheaper laptop, then I would have been like completely satisfied with the graphic performance of Iris Xe. But looking at that price tag, I expected a lot more performance. Anyways, talking about the thermal performance is also fine. The CPU was reaching a temperatures of around 72 degrees centigrade even after playing for like 25 to 30 minutes. I didn't face any sort of overheating issues also. Now coming to the battery life, here also I was not that satisfied. It has a 4 cell 67 watt hour battery and on an average kind of usage which includes browsing the web, streaming movies with the brightness set to 60% and slight photo editing, I was getting only around 6 hours of battery life. I guess that is because of the beefy 4K screen the laptop is rocking, which consumes a lot of power compared to a 1080p display. See, if you're looking to get long battery life on a laptop, I would recommend you to get the regular 1080p variant only. So that's it guys, that was my review on the newest ZenBook Flip S 11th gen convertible laptop from Asus. It's a good laptop especially for designers or creators who want to work on their projects on the go. Top notch 4K OLED touchscreen, love the 360 degree flip capability and it offers a compact and lightweight design. The only thing I was not satisfied was with the battery life. And also for the price what we are paying, I felt the performance could have been much more better. It costs around 1.49 lakh rupees in India. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video and got to learn a lot. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.